The Seventh-day Adventist Ramba Church Choir will on 13th April 2025 dedicate Jawar featuring Watulizeni album.
Watu wangu asema Mungu wenu, semeni na moyo wa Yerusalemu, uambieni kwa sauti ya kwamba vita vyake vimekwisha, uovu wake umeachiliwa.
Guest speaker will be George Mikwanga Wodateri, while MCs Willis Muma and Father Kafada. The invited choirs are Marindi Youth Choir, Godengima Church Choir, Holo Church Choir, Agudo Church Choir, Nyahera Youth Choir, Christian Soldiers, Arise Ministers, Pala Church Choir, Fellowship Ministers, Ebenezer Ministers, Masara New Apostolic Choir, Christ Vessels, Waldenses Ministers, Shield of Faith, Rabare Church Choir, Royal Brothers, Royal Missionary, Beta Church Choir, Kanga Church Choir, Sunrise Homa Bay, Revelation Ministers Melodies, RMM Homa Bay, Rapogi Central, Achego New Apostolic Choir, Awendo South Choir, and Kogenya Central Choir. Welcome and feel blessed. Karibu.
Nyingi